Hi everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to give you a kind of first sniffs with a bunch of hand soaps. Bath and Body Works had the $3.50 hand soap sale, so I had to go stock up. So I went and got a bunch more hand soaps. So I'd like to sniff through those with you guys and share that. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. So without further ado, let me share with you what I got. First, I got pistachio cream puff. And the packaging is just beautiful. It is so pretty. I love the Parisian feel that they're giving the packaging for like the whipped berry meringue and all of this. I think it's just so elegant and beautiful. So the scent notes for this one are pistachio, almond, and whipped vanilla. Definitely a lot of pistachio and vanilla. And then there is an almond note that kind of gives it sort of smells a little salty. But it's lovely. I love pistachio. Like, I use pistachio in my home fragrance. I have this Scentsy bar called Pistachio Ice Cream. Oh, I love it. It's so perfect for summer. Ooh, yeah, I like that. And I actually got 2 of these. So I'm really happy that I like this. And these are normally $7.50. So it's a pretty good deal. You get 8.75 fluid ounces. So yes, I'm very happy with that. And next I got peach Prosecco macaron. More beautiful packaging. Peach Prosecco, vanilla cream, and macaron cookie. Yeah, it's wonderful. A lot of peach, a lot of vanilla. Am I getting cookie note? I'm barely getting any cookie. It's just slightly there in the background, but I think the peach is drowning out the cookie note, that macaroon note, but it's still nice because I happen to love peach, so I'm very happy with that. And then I got You Cake My Breath Away sweet sugar sprinkles. Isn't that adorable? The little cupcake on there. Whipped vanilla, confetti sprinkles, and sugared strawberries. I think I got this one last year, I think. Last summer. Come on. Okay, this one doesn't want to open. There we go. Oh, look, my thing is all twisted up. Can you see that? Ooh, I might have to take that back. Okay, so this definitely smells like sprinkles. Like the artificial candy sprinkles and vanilla. I like this one. It's so yummy. I like cookie, like bakery scents, sugar, anything with like whipped cream, vanilla, sugar, berries. I'm there for it. I just love it. Some Bunny Loves You. Sprinkled donut. Does it say? Yeah, sprinkled donut. I love the orange. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, let me read you the scent notes. Buttercream, milk, and sweet vanilla. These foaming hand soap tops are so hard to get off. Ooh, yes, that is definitely like a rich buttercream frosting with a lot of vanilla. Ooh. Ooh, I like that. I almost smell, it almost gives off a chocolate vibe a little bit. Or it could just be because the buttercream is so rich that it kind of smells like chocolate. Because chocolate is not in the scent description, but I like this. And I love the packaging even more. Then I picked up white T-shirt. And this is available in the body care, as well as the peach Prosecco macaroon. But the scent description is crisp pear, lavender cloud, and soft sandalwood. Hi, Peyton. I love you too. Yeah, this smells like the body care. A lot of lavender and sandalwood And I also, it just smells floral to me, to my nose. My nose reads floral. I don't know why, but there's no floral in the scent description, but it's wonderful. I really like it. I really wanted to get more fresh coconut and cotton because I love that one so much, so very much, but they were sold out of that one. I think that one was pretty popular because it was sold out. Then I picked up Happy Easter Tutti Frutti candy. Cute packaging. Sweet jelly beans, mixed berry, and sugared lemon. Yeah, this smells like the body care. Very citrusy, very fruity, and delicious. Delicious. And then I got Fresh Getaway, which I really like this one in the body care. The scent notes are bright yuzu, citrus, and fresh ocean air. Okay, the soap smells a little different than the body care does, but it's still citrusy, still very bright with ocean air. But there's like a soapiness to it. That's funny, but this smells more soapy than the body care does, which this is soap, so it makes sense. But yeah, but it's nice. I like it. And then one of my all-time favorites, I always have this in my house during the spring and summer, Island Margarita, or during the winter. It's just in the winter I usually can't find this one, but I love this one. Fresh squeezed lime and sea salt. I typically love anything with lime. And it just smells like a sugary margarita, only sweeter than a margarita. Oh, it smells so delicious. And did you guys see the new coupons? They're 25% off now instead of 20%. And I appreciate that so much, right? Because the price increases. So, yes, please give us that extra 5%. I appreciate it so much. So I was very pleased when I got my coupon and I used it for this. So, yeah, I'm a happy camper. So let me know what you guys think. What hand soaps did you pick up, or did you get to take advantage of this sale? I always try to take advantage of the hand soap sale because these things, they last a pretty long time, and they're a good value, and they're really good at cleansing your hands, and they smell wonderful, and the scent lingers on your hands, and I just love it. And the packaging, they look so beautiful. So I love Bath and Body Works hand soaps. So if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for hanging out. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.